How can a single banana taped to a wall be sold for $120,000? Is it joke, a scam, or could it really be art?
It was the year 2019. In Miami, one of the biggest art event, Art Basel had just opened. The room was bright white, filled with painting and a quiet sound of people talking. Expensive clothes, champagne glasses, and the smell of fresh paint filled with air. And then in one space of Parotan Gallery, something strange appeared. Not a painting, not a sculpture, but a ripe yellow banana stuck to the wall with silver duct tape. Some visitors laughed, some looked confused, but slowly a crowd began to gather. The kind of crowd you might expect from a famous Picasso, not a piece of fruit. The banana was not a random, it was a work called Comedian by Italian artist Maurizio Cattelan. Cattelan was already famous from making unusual art and funny art that questioned the art world. He once made 18-karat gold called America. He hung a stuffed horse from a ceiling. He even made a sculpture of a poop hit by a meteor. Cattelan's goal was not just make a beautiful thing. He wanted to make people think, sometimes laugh. The banana, he decided, was perfect, simple, familiar to everyone, but strange when placed in serious art gallery. When price is announced $120,000, the world react. News headline appear everywhere. Was it a smart idea about consumerism, or was it just making fun of the art market? Some people said it shows how easily value can be created with high. Others said it was just a waste of money. And then a story took another twist. The performance artist named David Dada walked up, peeled the banana and ate it in front of everyone. He called it hungry artist. The gallery simply replaced the banana within seconds. The message was clear. The art was not just a banana itself. The buyer was not paying for fruit or tape. They was buying certificate of authenticity. A paper proving the idea belonged to Cattelan, also giving instruction for replacing the banana when it went bad. This is what we call conceptual art, when idea is more important than object. The real artwork, the thought, the conversation, the reaction it creates. The sale of comedian become one of the most talked about moment in the modern art. It was not just about banana, it was about how we see value and how the art market work. In art history, many artists had challenged what is art mean.
Marcel Duchamp put urinal in gallery, call it fountain. Andy Warhol turned in soup can in art. Cattelan banana is a part of this tradition. It's asked who decided what the art worth. Maybe comedian was not made to be beautiful. Maybe it was made to be surprise us, confuse us, even make us laugh. And in this way it's worked. The banana live in gallery for only short time, but it's live in our conversation, social media and debate for much longer. That showed the sometimes the meaning of the art is not in the object, but in this story we tell about it.
So next time you see a banana in the kitchen, in a shop, or in your lunch bag, remember, in the right place, in the right moment, even that simplest object can become priceless. Maybe that joke Maurizio Cattelan wanted us all to share.